Welcome to my first rent-to-rent deal. It is a block of 4 serviced accommodation apartments based in Rochester. It has the potential to earn me up to £6,000 per month in net cash flow. Let's go and have a look inside. Yeah, so it's a block of serviced accommodation apartments, a new build based in Rochester. I'm absolutely buzzing, it's my first deal. They have brand new kitchens, brand new bathrooms, everything is brand new. It is a new build, which we're over the moon with. We've had to do no work whatsoever other than put the furniture in. So I sourced this deal by looking at Rightmove. One morning, I do my daily Rightmove check, most mornings. I saw a deal for one apartment, 2-bed apartment. It looked fantastic. It's brand new in Rochester. I live in Rochester, and I was like, I don't know where this new flat is. Why don't I know where this is? So I made a call to the estate agent, which I was a bit hesitant to make the call to the estate agent, to be honest, just because it seemed that it was going to fly off the shelf so quickly. Why would they give it to someone who's willing to do rent to serviced accommodation? I made the call, and she said, the estate agent that is, we've got 5 viewings a day. Can you get down, ASAP? So I said, no problem. So I got down there within 30 minutes. Once I was there, I looked at the property that was on offer, and the whole building itself was still a building site. They were still doing the works to other apartments. And as soon as I got into those flats, I thought, there's a big opportunity here. So I asked the question, when are the other flats ready? Any chance I could have a look at them? She said, well, they're not ready, why would you? Well, who's to say that I can't make an offer for those 4 apartments? I said, yeah, that's fine with me, as long as you're willing to look at them in this state, that's fine. I looked at all 4, and then I said, I'm gonna make an offer. She said, as long as you do ASAP, because we're looking at 5 viewings today, they could go off the shelf quite quickly. Went back to the office, got out my deal calculator, and within 30 minutes I submitted the deal. I think within 2 hours they accepted the deal in principle. So that is the story how we secured these 4 serviced apartments. This property is in a great location. We can walk to the high street within 30 seconds. You can walk to the train station within 5 minutes. It has universities, hospitals, large building sites within the area, and you can also get to London within 30 minutes. Absolute great location. So the figures for this deal are, we have 4 serviced accommodations that we let out for £100 per night. That is 30 days per apartment, that's combined 120 days. 120 days times the £100 nightly rate brings in £12,000. Now our expenses on this project are £1,200 per month per apartment guaranteed rent, as well as the same bills, £300 per month per apartment. That brings in a total of £6,000 expenditure. We can bring in £12,000. So as you can see, a 50% occupancy, we would break even. What I didn't tell you before, well, those figures were quite conservative nightly rates. It has the potential to not be let out £100 per night, but £180 per night. So the deal does stack, and it can be very profitable.